Good morning, guys. Jim at Cityscapes Lawn Care. Thought I'd do a quick review of the Honda tiller cultivator, the FG110. Show you what I'm going to do today is my project. Yep, that area right there hit some fungus on it, so let me take this off and give you a close-up. Yeah, we're going to till that little area up. Should be done in about 10 or 15 minutes. Get rid of all the weeds that are in there, get all the dead grass out of there, clean it all up, reduce the size. So anyway, the Honda FG110, actually a great little cultivator. You can see that the tines are right here, easy to come off, just cotter pins. So if you ever get you're kind of caught up inside of it, easy to come off and unwind it. Actually a 2-stroke, so gas and oil is required. I see a lot of people using this in reverse. This is just your transport wheels. There's no need to have that. So this is going to come off through the cotter pin. And of course you can do this as the depth. You can just simply take this off. And we'll do that now for you, show you. You can change the depth on this one. See the cotter pin right there? They'll go up and down. So if you only want to do 2 inches, 4 inches, for example, if you want to plant and you want to create just a little trough, remove this. So anyway, so it's a depth. Just a cotter pin holds it all in. So if you're planting and you want to till it for, it'll actually go down about 8 inches or so. So that's what I hope to get all the roots and all. You can lay it pretty flat. The handlebars will go down. We need to adjust that. Your toggle on and off. Sometimes you forget to put that in the on position and you crank it on that. So, you know, make sure, sometimes you do it by accident as well. So, but again, a little 2-stroke. It does require oil, gasoline, not a mix, so don't mix it, it's separate. So let me get busy here and let you see it in real time. On. Primer. Alright guys, well there it is. I'm gonna clean all that up. You can see it goes down pretty good. You know, the longer you go in one spot, the more it'll dig down. I have a lot of roots from an old oak tree, so I'm not going to do that. But I'm going to dig that up. Or not dig that up, rake all that up, get rid of the debris, see where we're at. If I need to go another round, I'll do that. As you can see, I have St. Augustine. So what happens is that, you know, it's easy to pull out, but sometimes things will get caught right in the middle of it. So, and that's a drawback from any kind of cultivator or tiller. It obviously is going to round up here, and so makes it easier is that I can undo the cotter pin, pull it out, and get rid of it. So it's really quick to do. So I have all of this. So if you wanted just these two, you can just do these two. If you want a wider swath, if you will, then obviously put on all 4 of them. You can even just do one if you just want kind of like do a seed with a little trough done behind it. So I showed you that earlier. But as you can see, it's easy to take on and take off. Simple. Put it in there. Put the cotter pin in. Don't lose your cotter pin like I just did. Where's it at? There it is. But anyway, sorry guys, I need a videographer, right? There we go. Cotter pin's in. But again, I have St. Augustine, which is nothing but runners. It quickly gets caught up. The best thing for me to do is to really get all this first, because otherwise it's just going to continue to tangle. So I'm going to do that now. Hang on. Yeah, FG110 Honda did an excellent job. Over the years, of course, I've had this for a while now. As you can see, the tines. Again, you can just use these two or just the outer two. But I can't use just the outer two. It's just these two or all 4. So if you have a small area, if you want to plant some seed, you put it the little tiller thing. It'll go down in depth to what you want. And you can, you know, obviously you can, but very small, very lightweight, compact. And me as a landscaper, now I don't recommend it for really big jobs, but because it's going to take some time. You know, the bigger commercial ones is much wider, and that's what obviously you need to do that. Let me know in the comments. Please consider subscribing, because I've had some other things we're going to be doing here, some more reviews. My name is Jim at Liz Cityscapes Lawn Care. You can give me some comments if you need to. I'll be happy to answer all of them. But please like it, helps the algorithm. And again, peace out and welcome to my channel.